Hey guys, so we'll talk about type of operator in JavaScript. This is really very useful operator in in JavaScript, and the operator is type of. So we will see what is the use of type of in this video and how can we can use the type of operator to to distinguish between the type of object, type of what type of data is it is, right? So let's say we have one variable called a equal to 10, and then what kind of variable is this? What kind of value a has, right? We just want to understand. We can see this in front like it's an integer, but if we want to calculate, like for example, we have a lot of data and we want to calculate on the basis of like what kind of data is it. For example, we have to format the data in some form. So let's check it out. Console.log and type of a. So this is the way to figure it out. What is the type of something? So we put the type of operator and after that space, and we'll write the element or the variable we are trying to check the what type of variable it is. So it will give me the number because a is a type of number. So let me control this. All right, so this is a type of number. Let's say now a referred to a string. Let's say it's now the a is a string now, right? So what is the type of a? It will be string. So we'll get the output of a string, right? So we'll get the output for a string in this case. All right, let's say now a is a array. We'll see a very interesting thing now, right? So a is an array, right? So a denotes an array right now, but if we check the type of array, what is supposed to get? Like we will get the object, not array. It's a very important point in JavaScript. Array are objects in JavaScript. In other programming languages, array might be different. They might be array like they have, but in JavaScript, array are objects. So the type of array is object. What about, for example, if the a is an object, let's say name Mahesh and address, for example, let's say Gurgaon. Can you guess the output? What is the type of a? Because a is a object now, so it will of course give me the object. So the question is, array and objects in JavaScript both are object. So how can we figure it out like it's an array or an object? Because array is also object, right? So for that we can use a method which is available in array. This is called isArray, right? This is isArray. isArray is a method we can check especially for arrays if the particular variable is type of array or not. So it will give true or false. If the variable is a type of array, then it will give true, otherwise it will give false. Okay, let's check it out. Let's go to the previous so we have an array and let's check. So the syntax, which is how can we access this, is a array.isArray, and then we'll keep the element in that, right? So array.isArray is a method on array object. So this is the syntax we can use, and hopefully we'll get the output of true in this case. Yeah, true, because a is a type of array. And let's say if this is not an array, for example it's an integer, then it will give false. So because array are objects in JavaScript, if we want to figure it out like particular data is array or not, we can use this method array.isArray to figure it out. We'll get the output true or false depending upon the type of data it is.